wiki.ezvid.com. Search Ezvid Wiki before you decide. Ezvid presents the 9 best eyebrow dyes. Let's get started with the list. Starting off our list at number 9. Has excessive trimming over the ears left the top half of your face a bit lackluster? Lucky for you, Wonder 2 Wunderbrow actually produces a plumper appearance, so you're forgiven for abusing those tweezers. The hue results do vary though. There are 5 colors to choose from, and you can't sweat it off, but it comes with a poor quality applicator. At number 8, everyone will think you went to a certified cosmetologist after you use Eylure Permanent. It has a glossy shine that will help you feel red carpet ready and make you the envy of your friends. Unfortunately, its price is comparable to salons. It produces consistent results and comes with a grooming brush. However, it's available only in dark brown. Coming in at number 7 on our list. The unique consistency of the garyob gel makes this product easy to comb through your brows thoroughly, ensuring you get full coverage even on overplucked and scarce strands. It can stand up to humid weather too, so take it on your tropical vacation. It dries quickly and won't clump and takes up minimal space in a makeup bag, but it may need several coats. Our newest choices can only be seen at wiki.ezvid.com. Go there now and search for eyebrow dyes, or simply click beneath this video. At number 6, feel like going light for spring and summer and dark for fall and winter. The 1000 hour combo pack has you covered with a brown and black option. Its color stays rich and prominent for weeks without any signs of diminishing. It works on nearly invisible hairs and is good for beards and moustaches too. However, it doesn't fill in grays well. Moving up our list to number 5. Are you ready to give those bushy and unruly arches above your eyes a full makeover? The Godefroy shape and tint is here to the rescue. It comes with everything you need to revamp your face, like waxing sticks and even a sketch guide. It covers bare spots beautifully and offers a user-friendly process, but some find it irritates their skin. At number 4, for those who love to play with different aesthetics, feeling like a seductress one day and youthful the next, Ezvid Mott Queen of the Fill is just right. Available in 5 of the most common brow colors, it'll bring out the makeup artist in you. It creates a full and healthy look and is a PETA-registered product. It features a unique and helpful brush shape. Nearing the top of our list at number 3. If you want salon results without paying the premium prices, try the refectocil kit. This is oxidative demi-permanent, just like the stuff your professional stylist would use. It works to enhance your natural color and can last for months. It includes a quality brush and a mixing dish and is a thick, non-drip formula. It masks stubborn grays. Our newest choices can only be seen at wiki.ezvid.com. Go there now and search for eyebrow dyes, or simply click beneath this video. At number 2, considering that each box of Swiss Opal color can be used 12 times and the tint will remain for several weeks per application, this is a very reasonably priced product. Plus it processes in mere minutes, meaning no waiting around. It's ideal for those wanting to go dark and effective on sparse hairs. It comes with straightforward instructions. And taking the top spot on our list. If you're just dipping your toes into dyeing anything on your face, smartfx smartbrow is the perfect option. You can clean it off at the end of the day, but the way its fibers stick both to your hairs and skin make it look like you really adjusted your hues. It never flakes or smears and is a waterproof formula. It offers an easy and precise application. Our newest choices can only be seen at wiki.ezvid.com. Go there now and search for eyebrow dyes, or simply click beneath this video.